Building a website for your hardware store doesn't have to be complicated, and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MartySites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your hardware store. Let's get started. Now, if you haven't heard of MartySites before, welcome to our channel. MartySites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. It's really affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month for your small business website. And there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services when you try the product or the service. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's go ahead and search for our market, hardware store. There it is over there. Awesome. Let's start MartySites. A few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the MartySites service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, MartySites will do all the hard work its magic, and generate a simple website for your business. Also automatically bring up this short tutorial showing you how to customize your new website. Just close that off for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. The great thing about the MartySites platform is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. Also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free for you to use as well. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your small business. However, I'm sure you've got your own images you'd like to showcase on your website, maybe make one or two amendments to this content, make it a bit more personalized to your business, let your customers know how your business came to be, your background. They'd absolutely love to read more about your story. To make any changes on the MartySites platform, you absolutely don't need to know any coding, as I mentioned before. You don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So let's get to it. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that's visible to my customers. Let's go ahead and check that box. Phone numbers, click to call, and physical location. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath, update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Once you've done so, the links will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your MartySites website. If you've got a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo by clicking on that pencil icon to crop it or rotate it perhaps. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a bit better. If you'd like to change the colors on your new website, click on the paint icon. You absolutely don't need to know any color coding at all. For each section, you'd like to change up the images perhaps, or the buttons and where they're linked to, click on update section. Over here underneath update image is where you can upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You can also connect your Instagram account if you have a profile and pull in those photos. Now underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked to. Could even upload a PDF file, maybe with a price list of the various products in your store, or link to another website if you wish to. In the last section at the bottom is where you can put in your opening hours for your business. Click on update hours, put in the various opening hours for each day of the week. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving and display them over here for your customers' convenience. Domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that button at the bottom. If you don't have a domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors in your local area. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the MartySites platform as well. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the MartySites platform for your hardware store. I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and check out our other videos for some great small business marketing tips. You'll find loads of valuable information.